Helichrysum is an effective oil for acne, bruises, boils, burns, cuts, dermatitis, eczema, irritated skin, and wounds. It supports the body through post-viral fatigue and convalescence, and can also be used to repair skin damage by psoriasis, eczema, or any kind of ulcers. Helichrysum therapeutic properties include anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, analgesic, antiseptic, antispasmodic, antifungal, antiviral, antimicrobial, and acts as a tonic for the nervous system. This oil is non-toxic, non-irritating, and non-sensitizing. Please check with your healthcare provider before using during pregnancy. Helichrysum is a base note.